Hello students, today we continue in human reproduction, in that one male reproductive system. The continuation, last class we discussed about the structural view of the male reproductive system, either front view, either one testis, what is the longitudinal section and then what is the length of the testis and the length that is 4 to 5 centimeters. What is the width? 2 to 3 centimeters. So in related to testis, length 4 to 5 centimeters, width 2 to 3 centimeters under each and every testis. 250 testicular lobules are present under each and every lobule. It is present 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules and all. So each testis, it contains 250 testicular lobules. Then each testicular lobule contain 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules. 1 to 3 seminiferous tubule, each and every seminiferous tubule. Each seminiferous tubule, it is lined with two types of cells and one is the germinal, the male germinal cells. It is lined with two types of cells. That is, one is the male germ cells. Another one is the Sertoli cells. What is the another name of Sertoli cells? Sertoli cell is the sus tentacular cells, or another name sus tentacular cells. It is normally elongated in size. Elongated size. Then, what is the function of male germ cells? That means the germinal epithelium, male germ cells, to produce the male gametes. It helps to produce male gametes. Which one we call as male gamete? Sperms. It helps to produce the spermatozoa or sperms. What is the functioning of Sertoli cells? Sertoli cells nourishes male germ cells. Along with this one, it also produces certain proteins. What is the name of the proteins? Sertoli cells. It helps to nourish. It helps nourishment of, that is male germ cells. Along with this one, it is also to produce the particular proteins. What is the name of the proteins? Like ABP as well as inhibin. What is the meaning of ABP? Androgen binding protein. It helps to maintain androgens in seminiferous tubules and androgen binding protein helps to maintain the concentration of androgens inside the seminiferous tubule. Inhibin to inhibit the production of follicle stimulating hormone. To inhibit production of follicle stimulating. Why? Because gonadotropin releasing hormone, it secretes it stimulates that gonadotropin, that means the follicle stimulating as well as luteinizing hormone. It helps to inhibit the production of follicle. Why? Because follicle stimulating hormone helpful normal production of, that is male gametes. It indirectly or directly helpful for the production of male gametes. In that, how much it is required, that much quantity only it is ready to stimulate. Remaining one, it suppress and inhibit the production of follicle stimulating hormone. That is, then if you observe in this diagrammatically inside this one, this is the seminiferous tubules. This is one seminiferous tubule under. In this seminiferous tubule, it will be present elongated. It is inside this one, the elongated cell, that is the Sertoli cell and all. If we observe that transverse section related to the seminiferous tubules and all, this is Sertoli cells. This is the Sertoli cell. In between that one, it is present to germinal epithelium or male germ cells. In between this one, it is present germinal epithelium. This is germinal epithelial cell or male germ cell, or otherwise we call it as a male germ cells and all. Then this is the basement membrane. All along with this one, basement membrane. So this is basement membrane. It is basement membrane and all. Then in this one, each and every male germ cell, it undergoes mitotic division. First mitotic, later meiotic, then formation of male gametes and all. First mitotic division, that means it will be formed into the spermatogonia, then primary spermatocyte, then meiosis, secondary spermatocyte, then spermatid, then it forms into the spores and all. Like this, each and every will be present under. Here it is related to, this is the spermatogonia, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, spermatid and sperms and all. Like this it will be formed and all. So this spermatogonia, primary spermatocyte, both are diploid their nature and all. It is then the primary spermatocyte undergo meiotic cell division, then it forms into the spermatid, then spermatozoon and all, through meiosis and all. Throughout all it will be present and all. The center point we call as lumen part and all. In between, from one to another, this is another seminiferous tubule. This is another seminiferous tubule. This is one more seminiferous. This is another one. So wherever the gap which are present, there a group of oval, that means which are grouply cells are present in between seminiferous tubule. A group of cells are present in between seminiferous tubule. This is one seminiferous tubule. This is another one. This is another one. Between seminiferous tubule, a group of these cells present. That is, these cells we call as interstitial, or otherwise we call as leading cells. It is not present single, it is present grouply and all. Whereas the Sertoli cells, elongated single cell is present, whereas interstitial cells are leading cells which are present in between that particular seminiferous tubules. It is present under, then it is grouply present one and only type of cells which act as a hormonal function under. So what is the functioning of Sertoli cells? Sertoli cells helpful nourishing of the male germ cells along with the androgen binding protein. Apart from this one, inhibin under. Then what is the functioning of leading cells under? The leading cells important role to produce the androgen. What is the important role of leading cells under? The important role to produce the androgen. It helps to produce the androgen. What is the name of that androgen which produces under the important androgen? That is testosterone. That is important. So, which type of the male reproductive system of that particular cells, it helps to produce the androgen or testosterone. Because of the testosterone only, the secondary sexual characters are appeared. What are the secondary sexual characters? Why? Because both male and female, there is a distinct feature, male and female, at the time of puberty and all. Because of testosterone, while releasing at the age of puberty and all, there is a specific morphological characters. That means mustache, beard, as well as throughout the skin, it will be covered with the hairs and axial hair, pubic hair. The voice will be changes, low pitch voice, as well as the shoulder, broader shoulder, narrowing, the smaller of this pelvic under. So all are the particular secondary sexual character because of the testosterone. Then like that it will be presented now. Then along with this one, what is the male accessory ducts and all? Male accessory ducts and all, male accessory ducts which are present related to here male accessory ducts. Already last class we discussed accessory ducts and in this one you remember particular order from where to where. What is the beneficial of the accessory ducts and it helps the passage to transportation of the gamete and so what is the particular order? Order is important. First two order related to seminiferous tubule. That is seminiferous tubule. This seminiferous tubule, it continues one duct. What is the name of the duct? That is reed testis. Then reed testis to vas efferentia or vasa efferentia. Then vasa efferentia connected to the epididymis. Already we said caput, carpus, caudal. From caudal epididymis it arises vasa differentia or vas difference. From vas difference to it continues, that is urethra. Urethra to ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct to urethral meatus. Then that is the passage under. Here original, the accessory ducts are that the seminiferous, the reed testis, vas efferentia, epididymis, vas urethra, all until urethral meatus and all. So whenever exam point of view, how the male gametes transfer along with the accessory ducts, you identify sequence order. That is the most important NEET level question and all. What is the order? Sequence order. Everything you know. last class, once again you observe the diagrammatically I have shown very clearly, observe carefully. Here they give first seminiferous tubule, second they give reed testis, the third instead of vas afferentia they give epididymis. First option. Second option, here they change. After epididymis they give, then immediately urethra, then urethra to vas deferens. Like this, vice versa. Multiple options they give. So this is the sequence order. First you observe once or twice the diagram and whatever I said last class and then easily remember this particular order. How it will be transporting of the specific gametes and all. The male gametes and all. Then what is the male axillary glands and all? The male axillary glands, it is the male axillary glands. Already I said what are the male axillary glands? Seminal vesicles, one pair of seminal vesicles present, one pair of bulbourethral glands present, only one prostate gland is present and all. In that one, seminal vesicle. These seminal vesicles secretes all axillary glands, it secretes seminal plasma. In this one, in this seminal vesicle, how much percentage of plasma? Correct? Commonly we call it as semen and all. In this seminal vesicle, 60% of semen or seminal plasma. It secretes 60%. Then related, along with this one, it is also secret some hormone. What is the name of that hormone? Here, it is secret one hormone that is prostaglandin. In this semen or seminal plasma, it contains fructose. This semen, it contains fructose. What is the use of this fructose? The fructose, it acts as an important tool to give energy to the male gametes and the male gametes. In this one, prostaglandin, it stimulates the female reproductive part, one among the reproductive part, that is uterus and all. Why? Because at the time of traveling male gamete, it stimulates and promotes to reach to the female gamete at the time of copulation, at the time of fertilization and all. For that purpose, it will be important role and all. Then prostate gland. In prostate gland, here we write in pH value 7.4. It is alkaline nature. Why? Because it is a common urethra. I said both the urine actually acidic nature. Along with the acidic nature, the male gametes will be destroyed and all. With the help of this that basic alkaline nature and all, it becomes neutralized. Then prostate gland, then 25% of semen, that means seminal plasma, it secretes under, along with this one, citric acid. That's why the pH value, that is a slight acidic nature. Then because of citric acid, it provides nourishment, it provides nourishment, it provides normal for proper motility of that particular gamete and all. Then and also it contains enzymes. What are the enzymes? That is phosphatase as well as pepsinogen as well as amylase. So these are the enzymes contain the prostate secretion of the semen. Apart from this one, milky white substance also secretes in the prostate gland. Only one is present. The rest of the percentage, it secretes the corpus gland or bulbourethral gland and all. Or bulbourethral. In this one, rest of the percentage which contain mucus. The maximum it contains to the mucus. It is also alkaline nature. Alkaline nature. So it acts as a vital role to maintain neutralize, even though the prostate gland which secretes slight acidic nature, to overcome that problem under this alkaline nature of the bulbourethral whatever secretion of semen under the remaining percentage, then it is also neutralized because of the alkaline nature. It neutralizes the acidic nature of the urine at the time of secretion of semen and all, without destroying and all. Even though vaginal fluid which are secreted by the female and all, there is also acidic nature, without destroying killing of male gametes and all, it acts as a vital role. It prevents from destroying of the male gametes and all. Both these one. That's why it is also provide that the specific the lubrications at the time of coitus and all. It acts as whatever secretion of this one, it acts as a lubricant to overcome the friction at the time of coitus, at the time of fertilization and all. So that is related to male accessory glands as well as male accessory ducts as well as male reproductive system, male reproductive, that primary male reproductive part and all, that is the testis and all. So, in exam point of view, remember how many number of testicular lobules are present, then 250 and all. How many each and every testicular lobules it will be present in the seminiferous tuber, that is 1, 2, 3 and all. Then, especially the accessory testicular lobules, accessory that male, that particular tubules and all, that the sequence order is important. That is seminiferous tubule, eryditastis, vas efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens, urethra, ejaculatory duct, as well as urethral meatus and all. So here related to first urethra, then ejaculatory duct, then afterwards urethral meatus and all. So like that you remember the particular order, that is related to seminiferous tubule, then eryditastis, then vas efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, urethral meatus and all. Like that sequence order, remember, that is most important. Many times exam point of view they ask and all. Then apart from this one, seminal plasma. What it contains? Seminal plasma. Seminal plasma contains fructose, calcium and a certain amount of enzymes. Normally it is the alkaline nature and all. So that is also important. Which part of that male accessory ducts and all temporarily preserved to the male gametes and all. Then you write epididymis part only, temporarily it preserved that specific part and all. That is related to the specific accessory, that male accessory glands as well as male, that is accessory ducts as well as primary sex part related to male reproductive system and all. So in that external genitalia, already said there is a specific muscles are present. If you observe the TS of testis and all, there here it will be present one pair of, this is one pair of corpora cavernosa. This is if you observe TS of testis to show the muscles and the corpora cavernosa. Then below this one, the corpus spongiosum. Corpus spongiosum. This corpus spongiosum, here it will be present that urethra. Urethra, this is the septum. So remaining that blood, that arteries, blood, everything, that connective tissue, this is the skin part. In between that particular area, connective tissue. So at the time of stimulation, these muscles are erect by nature. So that is helpful for coitus or fertilization purpose and all. So you recall, you remember all these one. What is the primary male sex organ related to testis and what is the accessory parts, glands as well as ducts. through diagrammatically, observe carefully. In this point of view, in this first subtopic, there is most important in the test is how many number of testicular lobules are present, what is the sequence order of that particular ductus and from where to where these particular gametes are traveling and all. Then related to axillary glands, what is the important role, what it secretes, what it contains. It secretes to the semen or seminal plasma. What it contains? It contains fructose, calcium as well as certain enzymes and all. Okay? Remaining we discuss in next class.